Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture background in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert picture background in this document. Go to the page design option. Then select the background option. And we can see here solid background or gradient. Now we want to add or find the image background. Go to the more background section, then select the picture and picture fill, then click the insert option and insert picture from our file. Then click OK. Now we can see we insert picture background to this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.